Yarn is a popular package manager among JavaScript and Node.js developers. Sometimes you encounter this error while installing through Yarn. In this video, I am going to show you the solution of it. So I'm using Google Colab. All you need to do here is to remove the yarn first and then install it through proper GPG. And this is what I'm doing here. So first I'm removing it and then I am downloading the proper GPG with the keys, updating everything and then reinstalling it. Let me run it. Shouldn't take too long. Let's wait for it to finish. That's done. Now let's run the yarn install again. And once you run it, there you go. So no error this time. All done. I hope that this was useful. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.